How to withdraw fiat currency from Gemini. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. Next, tap on the middle button denoted by two arrows. From the options, select Withdraw. You will be given two options, Withdraw to bank or Withdraw crypto and stable coins. Select Withdraw to bank to continue and make sure your identity is verified. Choose the fiat currency you want to withdraw, such as USD, Euro, or GBP, depending on your account setup. Select the bank account linked to your Gemini account where you want to send the funds. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and review the transactions details carefully. Tap Confirm to initiate the withdrawal. Gemini will process your request securely. Depending on your bank and location, it may take a few minutes to several business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Once the withdrawal is complete, you can view the transaction in your Gemini wallet history and manage your funds as needed. Now you know how to withdraw fiat currency from Gemini. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.